come with me to restock my fridge. So I have been loving a boiled egg recently, trying to get more protein in, and I love to organize it in this clear container. Next up are my grapes. I love these big juicy grapes. They've been one of my faves right now. Make sure I wash them up. As well as my blueberries. Now I am getting ready for Thanksgiving, so I have to have my herbs, my thyme, my rosemary, my cilantro all ready. And then last but not least, the most important, my core water. Thank you, core.